Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable color correction in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that scroll down, then go to accessibility. From here go to vision enhancements and then scroll down a bit, and that's it. Just tap on color correction option and here it is. Now by tapping here you can enable color correction, and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now here you can see 4 options: dew tone, pro tone, tree tone, grayscale, and you can choose any option as you want. Suppose if I select pro tone, now if you go to home screen, and you can see color correction has been enabled successfully. You can also increase or decrease your color correction intensity from here. That's it. And that is how you can enable color correction in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.